childhood fishing spot that me and my dad used to go to a lot back in the day. We would set bush lines and catfish mainly, try to catch flatheads and stuff. This is a very, very deep hole. Definitely holds some big fish. I'm pretty stoked about fishing it. A lot of fish are deeper now this time of year, so I decided to go to this hole right here. Water is still very, very clear. I got some spinner baits, some transparent baits. We made it. I sure appreciate y'all checking in with me, man. If y'all forgot on the way in, make sure you hit that thumbs up and share me out. I'm gonna have to sit here and get tied up. I never know what I'm gonna tie on until I get to the hole that I'm fishing. We got choppy water. Might even toss a shad wrap around. I think I'm gonna toss a shad wrap around here first. Get a little deeper. But let's go. No more skinny water. We're fishing a big hole today. All right, in this deep water, I tied on this deep diving shad wrap. Classic OG color. I'm willing to say that these fish have not seen crankbait or any type of fishing all year. There's not many places like this because this creek does get pressure. But nobody's as crazy as me. Oh, there's a fish. Nice small jaw. What I was saying is nobody's crazy enough to walk like I do. I had to walk a mile to get here. I gotta walk a mile back. Smallies on the shad wrap, y'all. It's November 1st. Still out here getting it. See you, girl. Now I caught that bass right there on that point. That dude didn't fight very good. That was crazy. These cold water fish. There's fish number 2. They're liking that shad wrap. See you, girl. Check out this old bottle. I wonder what the hell that was. Dispose of properly. Check this out, y'all. This is an old dump. Now, you could probably find some weird finds in here, but that's a glass Aunt Jemima bottle. Old teapot. Somehow that thing's still kicking it. Probably some pretty cool finds up in there. Ain't got time to mess with it though. I'm still hung up. Yeah, it used to be an old dump, man. I'm glad people don't use it no more. Because it just ends up going in the creek when the creek comes up. Alright, well, the crazy thing is the leaves are starting to push up in this corner over here, but yet it's upstream. It's like the water's flowing slightly, but it's flowing upstream. Strange. I believe the beavers have this dammed off. That's why it's so deep. I mean, I bet you it's 20 foot deep out there. So you know there's a pig smallie in this thing. I look funny reeling sometimes. That's because I'm using a left-handed fishing reel. Somebody gave it to me. So my whole life I fished with a left-handed retrieve reel, which righties use. I like to have my power and set my hook with my dominant hand. I fished one way my whole life. I got my first bait caster when I was 28. So I fished my whole life with a spinning reel. Got a pretty good feeling about right here. If I can stay out of these leaves. Uh-oh, I'm in a tree. I'm gonna have to retie and everything. Got to tie back on. This spot, man, this is where I wanted to hit. There's a transition line to where you can see the rocks to where it drops off. And I really want to get parallel with that. 2 twitches and I was feeling rocks. That's what you want. You want to bounce this baby off them rocks. You lose them that way. That's what you want to do. Fish number 3. Baby smaller. Thought this corner would have fish, man. It's kind of crazy. Check that guy out. Let's go. Shad wrap hanging out of the mouth, boys. White bass. Catching white bass in November. Just feel like a shot from at the dentist office. Man, that's a beautiful fish. That's what it's all about, y'all. This is why I came out today. Beautiful views like that. Man, I'm talking about powerful. See it. Wasn't a very graceful release, but either way, it's fish number 4. Heck yeah, man. That white bass hit it right next to the bank. Well, I noticed when I walked up, everything's getting pushed into this corner. And if you look down in there, there's hundreds of minnows. So, thought I would have more luck in that corner. That white bass knew what he was doing though. Alright, we're on the move. I guess I gotta leave this spot. Look at this beaver dam, guys. That's why this place is so damn deep. No punny on that. Look at all these leaves.